Good morning. Well, I'm outside my ex-sister-in-law's new house. You see a nice moose on the door there. She has graciously allowed me to do some filming while I help her get organized. She's been here for a few weeks now. She missed a whole week of unpacking and trying to get organized when she was sick. And she's also been trying to work as well because she works from home, and you got to pay your bills, right? And so anyway, I'll turn the camera around and we'll do a little tour. She's just having a quick shower right now, so I'll go back and do the bathroom and that afterwards. And I think her daughter is still sleeping, so we won't bother her either. Okay, so this is the outside kind of entrance from the road. We've got a few little areas here. We've got a little deck sitting area here. That room is right now storage. It's going to be, it needs some work. Needs some loving before it will be turned into her daughter's room and hangout space. Got a few steps, go down here. And then the front door. Now her daughter unfortunately smokes, and they are going to be building some type of enclosure for the winter, so she will not be sitting here having her cigarettes, but she won't have to freeze. So there is that. So let's go in. So here in the entrance, still a lot of stuff. Well, there will be for a little while here. See all these boxes here? They are all empty, and she's going to give those to a new friend who is going to be moving. So we're going to break them down and get them out of here. And then, okay, so over here, there's that bonus room that's going to be her daughter's bedroom. They have to insulate the ceiling, redo the ceiling, get a new hatch thing put in there, and then hopefully that'll be nice and toasty warm. And then there's a bathroom right off here. Well, it's not a bath. This is the laundry room. Now, she does not have her washer and dryer yet. They are supposed to be coming next Wednesday. So those will be put in there. And, okay, that's this little area. Oh, we have a little coat closet here. It's got central back. So, and, this would be a good place to hang up coats too, I guess. So that's this area. In this door here is where the furnace is, and there's a little bit of space here for some storage, so I'm sure that'll get utilized eventually. There's the water heater as well, which is on demand. They don't have a basement here, so there's that. And then got a beautiful ceiling fan up there. All of the ceiling fans are on switches, so that's nice. And then look at this is why she bought the place. Well, partly. Look at that view. Waterfront property. Just beautiful. Anyway, so okay, I'll show you this room first. This is the great room, and it is absolutely gorgeous. She doesn't normally have a bed in the living room here, but she's sleeping here, and she's allowed me to sleep in her room while I'm staying here and helping her. She's got her work area set up in front of the window. And yeah, I got cabinets still to put together, and obviously lots of boxes and things to still unpack. Here in the kitchen, the desk is not going to stay there. It's going to go in her room for when she wants to work in a little bit more quiet. So yeah, she had to buy one of these little countertop dishwashers because she really didn't want to rip out any of the gorgeous cabinets. And I'll show you those later once I get into doing the organization for the kitchen. I may split this up into a series. But yeah, we have lots more cabinets and pantry cabinets and whatnot there. And we're thinking about putting one of the cabinets right there, the pine cabinets. So there's that. Now looking down the hallway here, we have chalkboard paint on this one wall. And in this room here, we have a whole pile of stuff that we also need to get cleared out. And this will be a bedroom. There's some empty bins and boxes in here as well. This all needs to be cleared out and then things put where they're going to go. And, okay, what's next? Okay, this is one sad thing. This is supposed to be a linen closet. And the old owners took all the shelves that were in there. So, that's that. This room here is the room I'm staying in at the moment. And so, let's see. Well, I don't know. We've got, okay, the ceiling fan there. Let's show the bathroom here first. Gorgeous soaker tub. Lots of cabinets here. And nice vanity. So lots of potential here. The one thing I've noticed it's missing is towel bars to hang up the towels. But that's an easy fix. Now, in the closet here, she hasn't really had a chance to do too much. I'll shut that door for a sec. Just having a shower, so it's a little noisy. But yeah, so just the bed there that I found is very comfortable. And the TV, unfortunately, so it's hooked up through the cord through the window because the friend that helped her set it up did not want to drill any holes. So that will have to be done properly when she can find someone to install that properly. But yeah, so a lot of things here still to unpack and organize and find places for. But yeah, it's just, yes, look at that view. Look at that beautiful view. And she gets to wake up to this every day. So that's the inside. Oh, I should show you over here. So one thing she's going to be doing, first thing she's going to be doing next year is having a deck built here. You know, or like a screened in deck, she said. So they can actually use these doors to go out and enjoy the view of the backyard. And let's see if I can show you. There's a boathouse down there and another shed. And at the front of the property, there's also a couple more sheds. So here is the second bathroom, second full bathroom here, which is tub and a shower. And nothing behind there. Just, that's for the cat water. So lots of storage in here as well. Same kind of light fixtures up there. Nice wood ceiling there. Yeah. So there's bathroom number 2. So this is her daughter's temporary room, which is one of the reasons she has not done much unpacking here at all. And unfortunately, in the closet here, they took the shelf. So, yeah, I don't know why they did that. So that really limits where they can put things too. Right, Charlie? So, her room is going to be that nice big room at the front after the work gets done. But for now, unfortunately, this is where she's got to hang out. Right, Charlie? So coming into the property here, we have a bin to put garbage on. We've got planters on either side and 2 fieldstone pillars, which were originally from this property. Lots of raised planter beds, so I can see she's going to have a lot of fun with gardening in the future if she has any time. Or maybe her daughter will do that. And neighbors' dogs. Not sure what they're barking at, but anyway. This is the first shed, which is like storage. And I don't know if we can see anything in there. A little bit, not too much. Starting to get a few things put in there of her friends. Welcome to the cottage. And then we've got, this is like a wood shed. Lots of wood there, garden stuff. Firewood here. And what's that? Oh, the patio. That looks like, oh, the bin for patio cushions. That looks like the shed that it's actually a new shed there. It's got to be put together. Anyway, let's go down here and have a look at the backyard and this other nice shed. And yeah, we need a little bit of painting on the outside, on the trim there. But anyway, yeah. Oh, this is another raised bed that's gone to weeds, obviously. Oh, so much potential here. Gardener's dream, that's for sure. Anyway, so we got a big storage shed here. And that's steel. And oh, so it's not a boathouse, it's a beach house down here. A screened in beach house. And apparently all the screens need to be replaced, but yeah. Is it open? No, it's locked. But hey, oh, there's a little table in there. That looks so cool. Oh, it's got the little lights, like patio lights up there. Oh, that's so sweet. That could be such a nice little hangout spot. And it's got a little deck on the back here. So yeah. No, I don't see any chairs in there. I don't know what that big black tubey thing is. Oh, I bet it's one of those tubes for on the water. Yeah, isn't that cool? That's the neighbors over there. The neighbor's little dock thing. There was a dock here and they went and removed it. I guess they had not excluded it, but the real estate agent didn't include it either. So that was not a very nice thing to do. But oh, look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous? Now they did leave this little play set, which you know, probably end up getting thrown out, I guess, because she certainly doesn't need one. And chances of there being little kids coming here, not likely. It's starting to look like it's not in the greatest shape either. So anyway, that's that. So yeah, so this is the view from the back. That's where she has to make a built-in, not a built-in, yeah, a screened-in deck is what she wants to do there next year. So they can actually use that and then not worry about people coming out of the doors. So anyway, I am going to do a little bit more exploring. Oh, I wonder if that garden up there is hers. I'll go have a look at it in a little bit. I just noticed this wasp nest up there. So that is going to have to be removed. Eek. So this is the tree that she just got removed here. I wasn't sure which one she was talking about, but anyway, that's gone. Now, I just noticed the chimney up there. This is what she'd mentioned to me. There had been a fire, obviously, that destroyed the chimney. So there's a guy supposed to be coming this week to repair that, put a new insert in and everything. And yeah, that's not going to be a cheap thing to fix. I just noticed that this raised bed at the front of the corner of the property is actually a little boat. Obviously overgrown here. Well, that's kind of neat. And here we have another raised bed on the, I don't know, is that the southeast side? Not really sure of the directions here. I wonder what that wheel's there for. Anyway, yeah. Well, maybe that tree needs to go as well. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for our outside tour. Okay, I'm almost there. And you see what I see? I have a beautiful looking fox there. He looks very healthy. Or she. Want to smile?
Destination on the right, 63.
Hello. Goodbye.